a tropical paradise. Imagine the air filled with the intoxicating rhythm of reggae music. Can you almost taste the exotic flavors dancing on your tongue? Now transport yourself to the heart of this vibrant paradise. Jamaica. Jamaica, the land of out of many, one people, pulsates with a vibrant energy that is as captivating as its stunning landscapes. This island nation boasts a rich tapestry of cultures, a legacy of resilience, and a spirit of warmth that welcomes every visitor with open arms. But there's another aspect of Jamaica that's equally enchanting: its cuisine. Are you ready to embark on a culinary adventure that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving for more? Get ready to discover the hidden gems of Jamaican cuisine. When it comes to food, Jamaica is a true melting pot of flavors. The island's culinary heritage is a vibrant fusion of African, European, and Asian influences, reflecting its unique history and diverse population. Each ingredient tells a story, each dish whispers tales of generations past. Imagine succulent fruits ripened under the Caribbean sun, fiery spices that ignite the senses, and slow-cooked stews that warm the soul. From roadside shacks to upscale restaurants, Jamaican food is a celebration of life, a testament to the island's vibrant culture. Many people think of jerk chicken when they hear Jamaican food. Yes, jerk chicken is delicious. It's smoky, it's spicy, and it's a Jamaican staple. But Jamaica's culinary scene is so much more than just one dish. Get ready to go beyond the familiar and uncover a world of culinary treasures. We're about to dive deep into the heart of Jamaican cooking, exploring the bold flavors, unique ingredients, and time-honored traditions that make this cuisine truly special. Are you ready to discover the real Jamaica on a plate? Okay, let's talk jerk chicken for a moment. It's iconic, that smoky aroma, the spicy kick. It's a flavor explosion that's hard to resist. But Jamaican cuisine is like a treasure chest full of culinary gems, and jerk chicken is just one sparkling jewel among many. Imagine a symphony orchestra. Jerk chicken might be the booming drums, grabbing your attention. But close your eyes and listen deeper. You'll hear the delicate melody of the flutes, the soulful cello, the playful chimes. That's what exploring the rest of Jamaican cuisine is like. So put aside any preconceived notions you might have. Get ready to expand your palate and your mind. We're about to embark on a delicious journey, uncovering the hidden depths and delightful surprises that await in the heart of Jamaican cooking. Are you ready to awaken your taste bud? One of the things that makes Jamaican food so special is its bold use of spices. We're talking about flavors that explode in your mouth, leaving you wanting more. From the fiery heat of Scotch bonnet peppers to the warm earthiness of allspice, Jamaican spices are the heart and soul of the island's cuisine. Think of it like this: spices are like artists' palettes, and Jamaican cooks are the masters. They blend and combine these vibrant flavors, creating dishes that are as beautiful to the palate as they are to the eye. Each spice has its own personality, its own story to tell. And just like the Jamaican people, these spices are full of life, bursting with energy and ready to add a little fire to your plate. But Jamaican cuisine isn't just about heat, it's about balance. It's about creating a symphony of flavors that dance on your tongue, leaving you completely satisfied. Imagine onions and thymes mingling with the tangy zest of limes. Picture the earthy richness of coconut milk, complementing the savory depth of slow-cooked meats. Jamaican cooking is all about using fresh, local ingredients and transforming them into culinary masterpieces. From the succulent seafood caught in the surrounding waters to the vibrant fruits and vegetables grown under the Caribbean sun, every ingredient is bursting with flavor. Get ready to experience a culinary adventure that will awaken your senses and leave you craving more. Jamaica is blessed with fertile land and bountiful seas. This abundance is reflected in its cuisine, where fresh local ingredients take center stage. Imagine biting into some oxtail with rice and peas exploding on your tongue. Picture the vibrant colors of callaloo, a leafy green vegetable packed with nutrients and flavor, sautéed to perfection with onions, tomatoes, and a touch of Scotch bonnet pepper for a delightful kick. And let's not forget the ocean's bounty. Picture succulent fish, caught fresh that day, seasoned with aromatic spices, and grilled to perfection. Imagine the tender meat of a crab, carefully extracted from its shell and transformed into a spicy, flavorful stew. From the land to the sea, Jamaica offers a wealth of culinary treasures just waiting to be discovered. Each ingredient tells a story, a testament to the island's rich natural heritage. Join us as we delve deeper into the heart of Jamaican cuisine, exploring the unique flavors and culinary traditions that make it so special. Cooking in Jamaica is more than just following a recipe, it's a rhythmic dance of flavors, a celebration of heritage passed down through generations. Imagine the rhythmic sizzle of onions and garlic hitting a hot pan, the air thick with the aroma of allspice and thyme. Picture skilled hands patiently kneading dough for fluffy golden brown festivals, their sweet aroma filling the air. Jamaican cooking is an art form, a symphony of senses. It's the rhythmic chopping of herbs and spices, the gentle simmer of stews and soups, the tantalizing aroma that fills the air, inviting you to gather around the table and savor the flavors of the island. It's about slowing down, savoring the process, and creating food that nourishes both body and soul. Every dish in Jamaican cuisine tells a story, a testament to the island's history and cultural influences. Take ackee and saltfish, Jamaica's national dish. This seemingly simple dish of salted codfish, sautéed with ackee fruit, onions, tomatoes, and spices, is a culinary fusion of West African and European influences, a delicious representation of Jamaica's diverse heritage. Or consider the humble patty, a flaky pastry filled with savory seasoned ground beef, a beloved Jamaican street food. This culinary creation has its roots in Cornish pasties, brought to the island by British colonists, but Jamaicans have made it their own, adding their unique blend of spices and flavors. These dishes are more than just food. They are a taste of history, a celebration of culture, and a testament to the resilience and creativity of the Jamaican people. Ready to dive into a hidden gem of Jamaican cuisine? Tucked away on the north coast of the island, in a charming coastal town known for its breathtaking beach and laid-back vibes, lies a culinary treasure waiting to be discovered. Sharkies, in Runaway Bay, St. Anne. Their Escovitch fish is mouth-watering. This isn't your typical fried fish dish. Oh no, my friends, this is a flavor explosion that will have your taste buds singing. Imagine this, tender, flaky fish, fried to golden perfection, then drenched in a tangy, spicy, and aromatic sauce that's bursting with flavor. It's a dish that's as vibrant and colorful as the island itself, a true testament to Jamaica's culinary creativity. So what makes this dish so special? It's all about the perfect balance of flavors and textures, a symphony of sweet, sour, spicy, and savory notes that dance on your palate. Let's break down the magic of Escovitch fish. First, you've got the fish itself, typically red snapper or parrotfish, fresh from the Caribbean Sea. It's lightly seasoned and fried until it's crispy on the outside and tender and flaky on the inside. But the real star of the show is the Escovitch sauce. This tangy, spicy, and aromatic concoction is what takes this dish to the next level. It's a vibrant blend of pickled onions, carrots, bell peppers, and Scotch bonnet peppers, swimming in a tangy vinegar-based sauce that's infused with allspice, thyme, and other spices. The combination of textures is divine. You've got the crispy fish, the crunchy pickled vegetables, and the smooth, flavorful sauce. It's a party in your mouth and everyone's invited. The word Escovitch might sound fancy, but it's actually a centuries-old preservation technique that originated in Spain and was brought to Jamaica during the Spanish colonial period. The acidic vinegar in the sauce helps to preserve the fish, extending its shelf life in the days before refrigeration. But over time, Jamaicans made this technique their own, adding their own unique blend of spices and flavors to create a dish that's uniquely Jamaican. The Escovitch sauce isn't just about preservation anymore. It's about adding flavor, complexity, and a delightful tangy kick to the fish. It's a testament to the ingenuity and culinary creativity of the Jamaican people, who took a simple preservation technique and transformed it into a culinary masterpiece. Escovitch fish is more than just a dish. It's a taste of history, a fusion of cultures, and a symbol of Jamaican ingenuity. It's a dish that's best enjoyed with friends and family, gathered around a table overlooking the Caribbean Sea, the sound of laughter and reggae music filling the air. So, next time you're in Jamaica, be sure to venture beyond the jerk chicken and explore the hidden gems of the island's cuisine. You might be surprised at what you discover, and who knows, you might just find your new favorite dish. As we've journeyed together through the vibrant landscape of Jamaican cuisine, we've uncovered so much more than just recipes. Each dish, from the iconic jerk chicken to the lesser-known Escovitch fish, tells a story of cultural fusion, historical influences, and the creative spirit of the Jamaican people. Remember those spices that danced on our tongues? The fiery Scotch bonnet peppers, the warm embrace of allspice, the earthy notes of thyme. They're not just ingredients, they're threads woven into the very fabric of Jamaican identity. And the fresh, vibrant ingredients bursting with sunshine and flavour. They speak of a deep connection to the land and sea, a respect for nature's bounty, and a resourcefulness passed down through generations. Jamaican food isn't just about sustenance, it's about connection. It's the rhythmic sizzle of spices hitting a hot pan, the aroma wafting through the air, beckoning loved ones to gather around the table and share in the bounty. It's the laughter, the stories, and the shared joy of a meal enjoyed together. Think about those festivals, golden brown, slightly sweet, and utterly irresistible. They're not just a side dish, they're a symbol of celebration, a reminder that life is meant to be savoured, shared, and enjoyed to the fullest. And that Escovitch fish, with its tangy sauce and symphony of textures, it's a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of the Jamaican people. A reminder that even simple ingredients can be transformed into something extraordinary with a little creativity and a lot of love. So the next time you're looking for a culinary adventure, remember the vibrant flavors, the captivating aromas, and the infectious energy of Jamaican cuisine. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone, to explore beyond the familiar, and to discover the hidden gems that await in this culinary paradise. Seek out a Jamaican restaurant, try your hand at recreating a traditional recipe, or even plan a trip to experience the magic firsthand. Your taste buds will thank you. And remember, Jamaican cuisine is more than just food. It's an experience, a celebration of life, and a journey of discovery that's best enjoyed with an open mind, an adventurous spirit, and a hearty appetite. We've only just scratched the surface of the vast and flavorful world of Jamaican cuisine. There are countless other dishes, ingredients, and culinary traditions waiting to be explored. So let's continue this journey together. Share your favorite Jamaican dishes, recipes, and culinary experiences in the comments below. Let's create a community of food lovers, eager to learn, share, and celebrate the diversity and deliciousness of Jamaican cuisine. And who knows, maybe we'll inspire each other to try something new and embark on even more flavorful adventures. Until next time, walk good, eat good, and live good.